Hello guys and gals. I'm just flicking through a chart here. Just happened to stumble across gold. I'm not trading really at the moment. I've made way past my normal daily requirements, cash and pips, but we've got a 3 candle reversal here. Now I'm not even certain. I'm a bit lazy. I have to apologise to Aaron. I don't rely on his fantastic indicator all the time, but I can clearly see this is the penultimate, that's the ultimate, this is the close down. That is a classic reversal candle, and as you can see, price is pushing down. Now the reason I made this video, we've also got divergence going on here. There you can see that higher high that's made a lower high, so it's a classic reversal. But that wasn't the reason I made this video. It was because I wanted to highlight the way I would like to see the perfect chart, and that is I would want to see all green here, because we've had a fight with buyers and sellers, which means we have support here, much the same as this situation here. With more in-depth analysis, I probably would have potentially traded this for a scalp. I mean, from when I started looking at it, it's already moved 7 pips. So some scalpers live on 1 or 2 pips, and they can take 40, 50 trades a day or 100 trades a day. Absolutely manic. But I digress. So this is where the line chart comes in dead handy, because you can see the support that's created the higher high there. You can see the kink in the line chart there. Clearly a battle around this area for buyers and sellers, and that is really all that this video was about. I don't want to confuse things or garble on. We've got a clear break of an uptrend with a downtrend, high, low, lower high, lower low. We haven't technically broken a support level, because this is true support that creates a higher high. This is a 1, 2, 3 lower high reversal now. So you can clearly see these patterns, you can easily see these patterns, and actually, to make this video worthwhile, I might as well have a little rant. I've been in and out of various trading rooms, and I must keep banging on, they are not good. If you concentrated on something like this for 4 or 5 months with no outside interference, I am certain you would be able to start making consistent winning trades. If you go in a room for 4 or 5 months or whatever, you will end up with a mashed up brain. Believe me, I've done it, been there, got the t-shirt. If you must go into rooms, don't get involved in the chat that goes on the side. And what was the other thing I was going to say? Oh yeah, one of the rooms, I mean, great traders, don't get me wrong, but they seem stuck in, I don't know, the noughties, 20 to 2010, whatever, or the whole of the the century before. It's all, I know these are ascending, descending trend lines and so on, but they're simple. Just draw a line that makes a level that breaks that high there, and you've got a valid level of support here. And going back to the rooms, I mean, one room, bless him, great trader, but they sat in the room for the whole week and took 1 trade on the Friday, and I'm not even sure whether that trade was a winner. But as it was, they sat in there for hours on Monday morning, and they took a trade, and that failed. I mean, that is absolutely soul destroying for new traders. What I do is I try and show a lot of trades here, a lot of setups every day, because in my opinion, that's not reckless, it's just opening your eyes to simplicity. These trades are everywhere. Loads and loads of people on this on my Twitter feed now are DMing me, making trades, showing trades, which I love. Always post your trades, guys, if you want to. I mean, look at this here, look, clear, old support, resistance, acting as new support. Just so simple. When this gets broken, that's where it's going to go next, because that's where the buyers are. Apologies, I've digressed again. So anyway, another room. They sat there, they took 3 losers, and then the winning trade, none of them took, because the guy said, you know, you've had your losers for the day, you must not take more trades. Well, that's fine, and you will have a completely, and I agree with the sentiment actually, but what I don't agree with is all the old-fashioned cliches, trader cliches that are kicking about in these rooms, and they all sit there hanging off every word of these guys, and that's probably why, again, I wouldn't run a room. Because I don't need to, don't want to, don't feel it would inhibit my life too much. It's bad enough creating all these charts, but you know the reason for that. Well, it's not bad, it's enjoyable, but the reason I'm doing it instead of running around doing swimming and using the gym and stuff like that is because we're in COVID-19 lockdown. Simple as that. But notice also we've got an RSI histo break and close down as well. And something I don't mention enough is when you get these 3 candle reversals and when you get these break close downs, which almost always agree with the 3 candle reversals or breaks of a level of resistance or support. This is the London Open 15-minute candle. You will often get the RSI histo break and close, but you will also quite often get the pullbacks. You know, 60-70% of the time. I've never really done the statistical analysis on it. Be nice if we could have an EA, then we could bang out some real decent statistics and failure rates as well. Might prove the whole strategy is useless, but don't try not to think about that too much. Just concentrate on ticking all the boxes before you enter trade. Anyway, so I rambled on again. I do apologise, guys, but if you get caught up in these rooms, they are not helpful at all. I like Losing Pip, who's got me addicted to them, use them as background noise. Why would you want to listen to the radio, which I used to listen to, about all this Brexit rubbish and COVID stuff and conspiracy theories, when you can just listen to traders talking about trading? Very, very nice if you can do it, but stay out of them. Find a method similar to this. Learn how price works. Old support, resistance, acting as new support, sellers failing, buyers taking over. It's as simple as that. And this is where the blue line should be on this one, as I've explained, because that's created a high. It's broken that and broken all of this. You could have drawn a simple descending trend line across here, and it's broken out there. That was a trade. RSI histo on the lower time frames, 3 candle reversal on the lower time frames. You can't get much lower than 5 minute, I know, but trades are everywhere, guys. Do not sit in a room and wait a whole week for a losing trade. Do not sit in a room and take 3 losing trades and then don't take the winning trade where everyone's shouting and cheering, but no one's actually made any money. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.